Hey everyone, welcome back. Does Crunchyroll show a black screen while the audio keeps replaying normally, or does the video just go dark mid episode? Here's the fix. First, force close the Crunchyroll app completely from your recent apps and then reopen it. Since a black screen with working audio usually means the video decoder got stuck while the audio stream kept going and a fresh relaunch resets it. Next, go to your settings and then toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds. After that, turn it back off to reset your connection. Since an unstable network midstream is very common trigger for this exact back screen issue. After reconnecting, open the episode again and skip forward a few seconds past where it went black. Then rewind back, which often forces the video track to reload. If the black screen keeps happening, then go to your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, find Crunchyroll and then tap offload app once you find it. After you offload the app, reinstall it fresh from App Store to clear out corrupted data or video decoding cache. So all you've got to do is force close and reopen, reset your connection, skip forward then back and offload and reinstall if proceeds. The black screen clears and that's it. Subscribe.